So with recording this, you go here when you mess up like an end of day or something, or you need to restore for some reason. We go over here to this backup and restore. Okay. And now you can see here, so this is a database that was a backup done at 4:46 p.m. So this 4:48 p.m. is yesterday, so it looks like you run your end of day about this time. So this is the end of day. This is right before that end of day you did. I'm going to run a backup now just to make sure in case anything goes wrong. You don't need to do this step, but I'm very backup heavy. So that's now 4:58 p.m. and that's the one we just made because 4:58. So now I'm going to go to this one, the 4:46, and begin a restore. And this will take a second or so. And so now it's done that restore. So now we go back to the admin screen, and we can see here under company information. Under company information now, you can see the dates back to 12:30. Previously it was 12:31 because it moved, or 1/1. No, 12:31. Then we can go to the front desk, and everything's changed here. So that ticket you want to edit, for example, you can go to paid. That's the no charge. You're looking for charge. So we're going to go right to the bottom. And we're going to sort by status, actually, to see if I can find that ticket for you. I only see that no charge. What was the name? One second, there's a bit of a delay here. So you can hit Control F, and that'll search it. It looks like it wasn't finished. It looks like it wasn't marked charged, though. This is just finished. Yep, now it's paid credit card. Okay. So now that